Woo! It's the British government again. This is another text message because I saw that you ignored the last one. This is very serious. Something might happen in the future, and if you ignore these text messages, then you will just get eaten by a zombie and you will die and turn into a zombie, and then there'll just be more zombies. So if you just listen to this message and do what I say, everything will be fine. So if you could stay away from the windows, away from the door, maybe put something against the door. Don't let anybody in. Don't let anybody in, even if it's the postman. Don't let him in. He might be a zombie. Okay, and then you'll be safe. Just click OK on this message.